Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to the episode of Train Conductor's World. After the last video, we went through the birthday 10th anniversary Train Conductor World update with the birthday popping balloons events. This time, we're gonna go into Norway with Trondheim up here. And I have tracks ready to go. Actually, I don't. Let's grab one. I don't want to use an alloy one, so that's why we're going to look for a platinum track, and I can put it in there. There we go. I have all of these random useless stuff around here. I can't build there? What? How? How? What? My tracks were there earlier on. What the hell, game? That is some grade A bullshit right there. My tracks were literally just there. Look at this. You see? My tracks were literally there. And now you said you can't build there. What? Okay, then I'll leave that there because I actually somehow built some of the tracks on unaccessible areas, which is crazy. I'm gonna grab this one, and we're gonna place it up here. Welcome to Norway, Trondheim. Let's do it. I've never played this area. I don't know what it does, so let's go ahead and play through it first time. So normal start. Deliver a total of 50 hatches. What the hell that means? Ooh. Did you know Trondheim was the capital of Norway during the Viking Age? What the? There's some bridge closing over there. Some like ferry bridges. Wow, this is cool. So it looks like we actually need to adjust the trains with the bridge. If the bridge releases, then there won't be any trains, but at the same time those tracks are out of access, so that's why. Ooh, this is cool, but at the same time quite difficult. What the freak is... What? Nah. How do I fill the normal star? This area looks frustrating. I can't skip it, you've got... Okay, let's do this again. This is actually difficult. Even the normal star is difficult. No. Oh, you can just leave the bridge? That's bullshit. How do I can just leave the bridge? That is just stupid right there. Okay, luckily the closing of the bridge doesn't affect the trains, but if the bridge is locked, then the trains are just gonna stuck there. But one cool thing is, with the bridge actually is locked, there won't be any number 3 or number 4 going this way. Oh, just kidding. Yep, that guy looks like he's just gonna get stuck there, but the bridge came down just on time. That's the unique part of Trondheim. Cool. Why there are trains after they call time? What, game? There are 2 more express trains after the game called time. Bruh. Okay, that's the normal star complete. Cool. Not a bad score. Now get some coins as well for beating the normal star. Let's exit first. Another iron track. Cool, let's go ahead and just get rid of these iron tracks because I don't want to see iron tracks. Perfect, now we got back to only alloy and platinum. Alright, let's do this. No, I didn't mean to do that one. Damn it. Let's get out. It's time to do the hard star. Hopefully it's not too hard. No more missions, so it's just gonna be a normal one. Let's do it. Oh boy. What is the spawn at the start? That's so bad. Yes, I can put them onto the bridge, but if the bridge closes, then the train's just gonna get stuck on the bridge or something. Okay, at least it looks like they actually will wait for all of the trains to clear the bridge first before you actually... Oh boy. Oh, there's slow trains as well, huh? And there's long, slow trains. That is not ideal. Yes, when the bridge lifts up, you cannot go past it. And the trains do just get stuck on there. But this is an easy swap at the bottom, so no problem. Gotta speed up all of a sudden, so that's why. That's close. Let's clear this part out. Okay, the hard star is also pretty straightforward. But look forward to Chaos Plus, guys. I have no idea how hard Chaos Plus is gonna be. Alright, next is the Chaos Star. Let's grab my track first. There it goes. Okay, let's grab this track. Okay, Platinum. Let's try to build from Trondheim the other way. Alright, Trondheim, and now it's Chaos. Let's do it. Not Chaos Plus yet, Chaos first. We have to be able to beat Chaos before we can do Chaos Plus. We're actually already screwed up there. These two express trains feels very slow. Okay, that's not good. That's actually death. Is that gonna crash over there? Damn it. Let's try again. I really do not like the starting part though. There's so many trains spawned in 2 tracks. Cannot even swap them. And they always spawn 2 express at the bottom. Nothing I do there, actually. Oh god, I forgot about up there. They spawn so many on the tracks that actually has trains spawning in. Freaking A. And you don't have a lot of space in this area. Not playing smart. Okay, get that down. Number 3 spawning in, so I need to get that out. Oh god. Another one of these bullshit spawns. Not ideal, but that's okay. Oh boy. Got to be shitting me, game. Spawn like that? When the bridge is still dead and you get some number 3s going the other way? Oh, is that gonna crash? Oh, that was so close. This guy's gonna crash though, that's for sure. You have got to be shitting me. Oh, that let me through! That number 4 actually let me send through. That's crazy. We beat Chaos, but that's just Chaos. That's not even Chaos Plus. And I'm already kind of struggling. Okay, let's get this track. And let's do Chaos Plus. Alright, let's do it. This is not looking good, guys. But let's see how Chaos Plus looks. Oh boy. Oh boy. This looks already very challenging. It looked good, actually. Swap. Looks like you cannot actually swap onto the bridge. Because all of the number 3s didn't go onto the bridge. Well, I guess you can do it that way, but only if you're going towards the bridge. Okay, this is just bad place. Oh, you can go onto the bridge. Oh, never mind. It's just the bridge lifting will wait until all of the trains are cleared before they lift it up. Yep, I already knew that's gonna happen. Oh, that's gonna crash. I did survive halfway, but not good. At least for Chaos Plus, they spread the trains a little bit more evenly instead of actually spawning at the same place. 2 number 2s, and they're parallel. How are you supposed to ask me to send both of them over without doing any detours or loops? Is that gonna crash? Freaking it. Too close. Okay, so far it's definitely a challenge. Oh, just kidding. They still spawn like that. The starting is really stupid because they spawn so many trains like all at the same time and they all go to similar places. So how are you supposed to send them over without stopping them? Like especially right here, you see? How am I supposed to do this part without doing loops for this other express? I just have to hold them there because there's literally no chance they'll be able to make it through, and especially like right there. Oof. What? No. This is murderous, this area. It's just the start is murderous. It's really stupid, the start. That shouldn't crash. You look at this. How am I supposed to send over? Just have to pause. Go back up. Oh! How? Wow! Like, you look at these number 1s over here. How am I supposed to send over without holding them? So it seems like it's always going to be an express when the bridge comes back down. You see, like right here. They'll always spawn an express. Oh boy. Hold, you need to get out! Yes, they just stop right underneath the bridge, so. Is someone sent wrong? Something went to wrong spot? Yeah, something definitely ran to wrong spot. I need to use 2 hands here now. I've been using 1 hand the entire time. I mean 1 hand holding the phone and 1 hand swapping, but now I need to use both hands to swap. Oh boy. That was a close one up there. Oh my gosh, look at this crap up here. How am I supposed to do that stuff? How am I supposed to clear that? Oh my gosh. Move! Move, I clicked you! Freaking A, move! They always made the new areas way too difficult. You see? How am I supposed to swap? That was like crisscross for the hands there to stop off the stuff. It actually doesn't let you to send it on there after the timing for the bridge release is actually out. Oh my gosh, you've got to be shitting me with this crap. Like, how are you supposed to send? This is ridiculous. I guess you just cannot send the trains over. Because it's just ridiculous. You cannot even actually dodge as soon as you actually have the bridge down and with the trains at the edge there. So you just have to just like don't send anything over there when the bridge is actually dead. So you have to leave those two slots open just for the express train to spawn in. That crashed? How? Oh my gosh. So, okay. This is frustrating. Of course, as per usual with new areas, always they made it insanely frustrating. So yeah, whenever the bridge starts to come down, just leave those tracks. Completely empty them. Okay? Leave them all open until the express trains are cleared, then you go back in there. Because it's practically impossible to swap out for the express trains if they have already spawned in, because you just don't know where they spawn. Look at the sirens of the bridge. When it starts to beep, you get out of there. Okay? It's like right here. Leave those two tracks open. Okay? Let that express train through before you swap over. There you go. That feels pretty good strategy. Except here. We got issues. Yep, except there you get issues. Yep, until that point, until more crap starts to spawn, you're totally fine. You... Freaking I swapped! I swapped like years ago! Oh my gosh. This is such a frustrating area. I literally swapped like years ago. The sensitivity issue is still a problem for this game. Oh, you see right here? Let's get out of there. We got trains coming, so let's get out of there as quick as possible. Only one guy spawning, so we're good. Except that one spawned in afterwards as a normal train. Yep. We'll get problems at the top very soon because they're gonna start spawning double trains. Get out, get out. Yep, that's fine. We got a slow train, okay? Just stop there for a little bit. It does stop, okay. Get out. No! I haven't even got past the halfway point yet. I literally have never even gone through the halfway point. We always either made it to the halfway point and then die. Okay, clear the ports. This one also clear actually because they're gonna spawn stuff soon, so that's why. You see? And it's a crisscross one again. That's fine. We're good. Get something on the bridge. Sometimes getting things on the bridge actually will stop the bridge from racing a little bit, so... Yep, something is coming. Get out. Oh my gosh. Not like that, though. Hold. I know I'm stupid by setting stuff at the start, but... Sky. Get out! Ooh, that's close. You hold here, Still let me send, that's fine. The game says I'm having already wrong stuff there, but... No! Because if I don't beat this, I can't finish the video. That's the thing. I can't finish the video without beating it once. But I think the strategy is right. We need to clear the ports when express trains start to spawn in. And then you send stuff over afterwards. Quickly, get them over. Can't lose the stars though. That's fine. Okay, we get spawnings here, so let's get out. This track is fine, so you can go there. Clear. Okay. There we go. Not good. We're okay. Not okay! They spawned the number 1. I wanna cry. Oh, it's snowing right now because it is winter in Norway. Got crossings. This guy go up there. You're gonna get stalled by that slower train. Never mind, it cleared itself, so... That's a normal train. Yep, hold the bridge down. I'm literally sending stuff onto the bridge to hold them down. Just keep the bridge down. Okay? Oh boy, we're gonna have issues here. Swoop. Hold that guy, don't release. No, 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 no! Oh my gosh, every single time we're at the halfway point, we die. Train's coming. Also sending stuff underneath the bridge actually stops them from spawning, so... Like, how am I supposed to do this part up here? If this guy needs to go there. Get onto the bridge. Get onto the bridge. Force the bridge to stay down. Oh boy. Of course the game's gonna do that. Here comes the number 1. Drop. Oof. Oh boy. What? What's wrong? Oh my god. This is ridiculous. I cannot even beat this. That's gonna crash up there. Oh my gosh, I didn't see up there. Oh my gosh, all these trains need to get stalled. Like at this point, I don't even care how many trains I stalled. I just want to beat it. Hold, that was close. Hold that guy a little bit, let him through first. That was a terrible play, but I don't care. Because this is so ridiculous. Okay, we're safe there. Hold that guy, hold this guy. There we go. Through. How the hell can I pop that balloon, by the way? Oh boy. How the hell can I go through this part here? The balloon actually got into my head there. It's almost 30 minutes, this video. I don't even care. This is the problem of playing new areas. Double number 3. No, not you! Ugh. That number 2 got swapped over, but the star already got counted, so that's why it's still gonna be a perfect run. Although technically it's not, because one of the train went to a wrong spot, but the star was counted, so that's why. What? Are you serious? It spawned one right there. When I'm swapping over. It honestly can never get back to the good old days of Amsterdam anymore, isn't it? Because you know how easy Amsterdam, Milan, Paris, all those areas. It's the good old days, isn't it? All of the new areas are just insanely hard. They're not going to go back to the good old levels. Okay, we got number 4. So we're still okay. How the hell that crashed? We need to play a little bit safer, because I just keep on playing like I want to get the higher score because I want to hit the edges. We can't hit the edges in this level, considering we haven't beat it yet. If I've beaten it already, then yes, we can try to take shortcuts to get a higher score, but first at least beat it. No, stay there. Train's coming. Let's get out of there. Trains are still blocked, so that's why. Get trains on the bridge. Hold the bridge down. Yep, get this guy over there, hold the bridge down. Reduce the amount of trains coming out of the bridge. I know that was going to give you a crap score, but I don't care. We're just trying to beat it right now. We're not trying to get scores. Yep, get out of there. There's a slow train coming. Hold that guy, I saw you. Okay. You're starting to send stuff at the start. I don't care, just get over. Hold that guy for like a year. That's fine. Up. You guys all stay up there. We got problems coming. I stopped that guy! Game? Oh my god. Alright, it has to be done with an undo. Let's see whether I can beat it now. With an undo. That's not ideal, but... oh boy. At the start already having issues. You just stay there. Okay. We got shit coming. Yep, we got shit coming! We failed. We failed. But we already counted as a high score. Someone actually beat it with 34,000 points? I'm not even close. Only 19,000. How did I can beat it with 34,000 points? I don't get it. Oh, that was close. Let me just focus here. Ah. How do that still counts as a close call? Because I just don't want them to slow the game down, because it wastes time. Bridge just raised it up as I was swapping that train over. Yep, that's a slow train, so we have time to dodge. Look at my score right now. It's absolute trash. Oh boy, you see, you just cannot, dude. Alright, screw this level. It is an interesting concept, but still, the game really makes all of the new updates way too difficult. That is not even actually to a point that is actually relaxing to play and enjoy. Like, starting from here, this area is already pretty pretty bad, like for the Chaos Plus. Millau is okay, Verdun is okay, Lyon is totally fine, Paris is fun, Bruges is fun, London is fun, Copenhagen is so much fun, Amsterdam is the easiest one, so it's okay. But then you come down here, you get Rome, which is already bullshit. Florence is not as bullshit. Like, Porto is the most challenging and at the same time it's still possible to beat. But as soon as you come over here, you get like Damascus, which is also pretty ridiculous sometimes, with so little space, and you get long slow trains and fast and express trains. And now you get this up here. That the concept just really doesn't, like, the concepts make sense, but at the same time they need to make it less bullshit with the train spawning and also the spreading out of the trains to make it more possible to beat. So that's my overall thoughts of Trondheim, which is actually a cool concept, but really I'd rather the game actually just go ahead and reduce a little bit on the difficulty, because sometimes it's really frustrating. Like, at the same time, like, for example, like, yes, okay, you might want me to swap trains like way at the back of the line, but then you don't swap, then you don't spawn anything. Like, that one time I'm swapping number 3 down to the bridge because the bridge was dropping down, so that's why I'm swapping it back down. As soon as I swap that down, the number 3 is ready to exit the track, the express train spawned in. So how the hell you can go ahead and plan that out and move it away? Ugh. But anyways, that's the new update for Train Conductor's World. Of course, continue keeping me updated with any new updates. It doesn't feels like there's gonna be any new updates for the game up for now, because I don't even see any like more slots. Maybe over here there's still a big old patch. Maybe they eventually want to go into Asia, I don't know. So Like, technically Damascus is already in Asia because it is in Syria. So maybe they can continue into the Middle East, or maybe over here into Russia. Because Warsaw's right there, maybe into Ukraine. Who knows? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. I was not enjoying playing through that area, technically. But anyways, still doesn't count me actually beating Chaos Plus. But anyways. Till then guys, take it easy. Peace.